Welcome to the 6th September 2020 episode of IBM Developer Puget Sound. Topic: Training a new assistant with a skill. I am super excited to share my latest experience with a new assistant that was trained with skills to dialogue via web chat with guests about the Python programming language and to research information that the training did not cover. She will occasionally suggest IBM products and services to further our reseller goals. Michelle has graciously accepted the training challenge, and you can look over my shoulder today as I dialogue with her to test her newly acquired skills. In order to give my tests perspective, I will take on several personas who dialogue according to their quest. For example, the first might be a beginner looking for resources. So I would say something like, I need a tutorial. She provides several links and a suggestion for more hints if I don't know what else to ask. I think I need a course. She provides a course and some hints for me too. And she provides another course. Maybe I would like some YouTube videos. She provides me with her favorite list. That's pretty cool. Well, let's switch personas. How about Chief Information Officer? She provides a long explanation. Maybe the Chief Information Officer also wants to know where is Python used. Let's try let's try misspelling Python and see if she can handle that. That seems to confuse her. Maybe she'll need a little training. She needs to know exactly the spelling of Python. That's kind of odd. I'll have to talk to her about that. Who is using Python? Again, as a CIO kinds of questions. And a short list. And notice, according to her training, she's supposed to throw in some bits of information about contacting IBM, and she has done that. And you can see by the links in the bottom of the screen there that it's slanted towards Python. Well, let's switch personas again. We'll go for maybe a new grad looking for work. So our company's currently not hiring, but she conveniently provides a local job board listing and a variation. And it's the same. Finally, we'll switch to the advanced Python programmer persona. Let's look up something specifically related to, well, not specifically related to Python, but maybe a little more advanced. And she provides, well, so she hasn't had specific training on this, but she does search her knowledge base and she finds some information relating to that topic. And let's switch paradigms here. She provides a pretty good response by searching through her knowledge base. Let's just try the word paradigm and see what happens. kind of general, and so the search results are also kind of general. And finally, let's look at one that might be ambiguous. She's been trained to provide an exact answer for iterators, but then she also points out that the iterators could be patterns as well, and searches through the knowledge base about patterns. Speaking of patterns, let's just see what she knows about patterns. Yeah, so she searches her knowledge base and she can find some different patterns. Well, that's pretty cool. Well, I'm grateful that she spent some time with me. I'm also a little suspicious. She types pretty fast. She thinks faster than me. That's not saying much. I think I should ask her some probing questions here. Well, she didn't answer it exactly. I wonder what happens if I ask her again. What if I just shorten it? Yeah, she has a lot of different answers to the same question. Oh, okay. She's getting smart alecky. And even humorous. Well, it looks like she's starting to repeat herself. I think I'm going to ask her about that. Originally, she said something about Python hints. Let's just ask about Python hints. We're back on track. So what happens if we ask about Watson Assistant? I spelled it wrong. See, right there, I didn't spell it right. In this case, it looks like that didn't disturb her at all. She was willing to overlook my spelling mistakes. And here we see there's a link for the marketing spec and for the Watson Assistant API docs. And she's also switched over. She's noticed that I was interested in IBM. I say yes, I want to see some more IBM products and services. And there's the list. I sure do appreciate you spending some time looking over my shoulder today, and I hope that you will come back and visit again sometime and watch some more videos.